Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about some of the rarest birds that can be found in the Danube Delta. The curly pelican is the largest bird that can be found in the Danube Delta. It can reach up to 180 centimeters from the tip of its tail to the end of its beak. Its ostrich-kid wings measure between 310 and 345 centimeters in length. The curly pelican prefers areas with high humidity, such as deltas, estuaries, and lagoons. Being an endangered species, conservationists have made efforts to protect it. The protective measures have paid off, and the species population grew by 289% from 1994 to 2012. The night heron is a species of bird found in the Danube Delta that is characteristic of wetlands with fresh or either salty water. It has a body length of 58-65 centimeters and weighs about 800 grams. The wingspan measures between 90 and 100 centimeters. It primarily feeds on fish along with insects, larvae, tadpoles, leeches, and even mice. The red-necked goose is a species characteristic of the Siberian tundra areas. The body length is 54-64 centimeters and it has an average weight of 1,400 and 1,600 grams. The wingspan ranges from 110 and 125 centimeters. Adults have a similar appearance. The red-neckled goose is the smallest of the goose and has an elegant plumage of black combined with rusty red, highlighted by white stripes. The little egret is a species characteristic of wet areas with clumps of trees. It is slender and elegant with a body length of 55-65 centimeters and a weight of 350-550 grams, being similar in size to the kettle egret. The great egret is actually a large white heron, an excellent fisherman, and an elegant person on the delta's channels. It can be easily distinguished from the little egret by its obviously larger size, completely yellow bill, and black legs. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it helped me a lot. See you soon, bye!